Social worker construct road with own expense for 3 villages inside Nilip. A very good morning to all the viewers who's watching the news right now. You're with Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. Taking note of the continued neglect and failure of elected representatives to mitigate the basic problems, social worker James Pangcho of Jokehola constructed village road for 3 villages comprising of Langsomepi, Risaktepi and Rongkimi from his own expenses. Majority of the village inside the Nili block and constituency has remained neglected and continued to remain deprived of basic facilities and infrastructure, even as the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has completed its 70 years and the nation celebrated its 75 years of independence on Sunday. The construction of the road for the 3 villages was taken up by the social worker James Pangcho after the villagers approached him to help as they have been facing tremendous pain and hardships due to lack of good road. And following this, the social worker hired an excavator with which helped them in construction of the road by widening and leveling of the road, which was in appalling condition. Following this, the residents of the 3 villages have also expressed their gratitude towards the social worker James Pangcho for accepting their appeal to help them for improving the condition of the road.
Langsomepi, Risaktepi, Rongkimi, Nanitum, Rongtom, Kacheling atawar Kasiksak ni kan ko an pene kasiksak jone pini James Pangcho Langli Kipen Nilitum La Rongtom Kacheling atawar Klempon long pot alang lipan Peru Paji Riglo Pardon.
Samson Ingtes report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Extremely fed up and disappointed with the successive parties in power at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and local elected representatives, over 50 women of Mota village on Monday gathered together and repaired the village road on their own. The village is located inside Jirikindeng under the Amring constituency. While speaking to reporters, women of the Mota village stated that this is their lifeline. Unfortunately, due to the absence of Pakka road, this road literally turns into a paddy field during rainy seasons. This lifeline road actually becomes life-threatening road for patients and for the elderly villagers and children due to the mud and potholes which pose immense danger to the village folks. And that is the reason why the women of the village decided to take up the task of repairing the road by filling up potholes and leveling the road where necessary, said the women. On the indifference of the government and parties in power, the women told Karbi Anglong Live that when the Congress was in power, they promised to construct road about 3 kilometers, but only 10 meters of the road was covered with interlocking block. And while asked about the Parivartan government, the women say that their situation never changed and alleged that local MEC Rina Terangpi was never seen visiting their village. Samson Ingtes report from Jirikindeng for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.